Okay. We'll start as soon as the tea water is boiled. I have to stop using this fucking Linux laptop as my chat thing because I keep having to hard boot it because like 50% of the time that I sleep it doesn't work every time and I have to reboot. Okay. So, well, let me wait another 30 seconds for the water to boil and then we'll start. 50% of the time it works, none of the time. That is correct. That is correct. I got to go to a new shooting range today, and I brought Sand Viper and the brand new Atlas Athena, and the Atlas kind of slices my thumb when the slide shoots back. So I don't know what to do about that. It's a problem. Like I can hold it more awkwardly or something like that. And I need to figure it out. So I think I like the Sand Viper better than the Athena, but as they say, more research is needed. Okay, we're here at part 2 of this stream where I'm just porting this Lexer. And this is honestly going to be kind of boring. I've only got about an hour, and we're just converting it from C++. And it just is what it is. So we're just going to go. We're just going. How's it going for everybody today? I hope you had good days. Active load. Yeah, that's something we would structure differently. Atom pool. So we're going to want to import pool, not poo. No. We're going to want some imports. Import basic. Import pool. Anything else? Maybe string. I don't know. We're going to have to see. Okay. Yeah, all these can go, by the way. Yeah, all that stuff you would store in some kind of user data field. So we're going to put that here. User data is a void pointer. Input is a string. Input cursor is I mean, we could just like advance the string. I don't know. We're going to see about that. Okay, so there we go. Easy clap. Let's actually compile it and see if we get up to line 185 before getting parse errors. We in fact don't. Oh yeah, because of this. Okay, 124, that's pretty good. Error. Okay, 134. Why is that token string? Why? What do we use that for? We don't even use that. Get rid of it. Okay, 134. Still, what? Wait, no, I was looking in the wrong place. 180. Oh my gosh. Boom, boom. Here, let's just do, I said I wasn't going to do any automated conversion, but there's a couple things we're just going to do. We're going to say replace Lexer arrow with Lexer dot. Okay, because there's going to be a lot of that. We could just using the Lexer. Let's try that. I mean, I'm sure. Like in a function like this, it really does make sense to do it. It really does make it more readable. Okay. 180. Oh. See, that's why I'm checking these things. Boom. 187. Oh, we don't have a plus plus. 193. Coolio. Any particular reason I'm using the more specific S64 type? Yeah. So in that particular case, the one where I paused for a second, it was here on input cursor, and I paused very specifically, and I said no, it should be S64, and the reason is just because string does have an x64 length, and you want to be able to address the whole string, right? And so you should be specific about the size because it really does need to be that big. Whereas int means I didn't think about it very much, so it's this big just to be safe, but we don't totally care, right? It has, int and S64 are the same in terms of implementation, but they're different in terms of connotation, right? So I think, honestly, you don't want to see a lot of int in code that is well designed in this language because, I mean, a lot of the time you wouldn't declare the type anyway, right? You would just use inference. So, yeah, I don't know. Why do we return a token? Why do we return a token by value here, but by addressing peak next token? Okay, get last token. So we're unwrapping. Wrap backwards. Note we are not using the power of 2 requirement here. Clean up, remove that constraint? Question mark. Yeah, I mean this is like a not that predictable branch. So it is what it is. Okay, starts identifier. Inline. What character type do we want to pass around? I think we're going to be U8. So we need to remember what's my is alpha. Wow, that was loud. Is alpha. It's in simple string. Easy clap. Okay. No more meaning the lines processed fields. Yeah, I don't know. Those I was thinking less about. I do tend to use S32 sometimes when maybe I shouldn't. I use it because I'm like, well, I want to save space or whatever. But in the Lexer, it doesn't make sense to save space. You're not going to have that many Lexers instantiated at once. So let's actually go back to that. Oh, those are S64. Yeah. I mean, those could be int, right? Maybe. Actually, we're going to make use SIMD false for now. All right. Oh. Oh no. I want to remove the prefix. But now we start with a number. Yeah. Okay. Cached make atom. Up an atom. I'm getting hungry. We might have to have ice cream as well as tea. This is the kind of work where this is just grind, right? And so you just pamper yourself when you do grind work because it's like a spa day. Wow. This golden monkey is pretty strong. We're going to have to milk and honey this up in a serious, serious way. No, I mean, if you pamper yourself during the grind, it's not as negative of a time. And you get to look forward to it a little bit, and you don't have as negative after memories of it. How many times does Lexer star Lexer appear? Maybe a lot. We could do a replace on that. I just don't want to get carried away with doing a ton of replaces, but oops, Lexer, sorry. Replace Lexer with Lexer :star Lexer. Boom. All right, so we don't have to do that one, but there's still going to be a lot of grind no matter what. We're milk and honeyed up. Okay. Okay. No auto. Oh, wait. We're gonna see. We're getting a hash table from a load that doesn't exist here. This is a compiler component that we don't want to be here. So we're going to say Atom table is a table from let's see. Why don't we have... Did I get rid of ident value? Oh, no, because I got a backslash there. Table string. Wait, I deleted table string. Yeah. So this is a string plus a hash. But table string does... Right, table string is a string. So we're just going to declare, so table string is just a string that we know comes from a table, right? So Atom table goes from string to table string, I guess. It's kind of silly, but we're going to see. Although, you know what? Maybe we're not even going to bother. Like, it's extra complexity to do this. But people might want it anyway. People might want it. Do I use milk to lower the excess acidity? No, I use milk to increase the excess flavor. The backslash can be a little annoying when searching for depth, so fucking fix your search. I don't bother fucking fixing my search because fucking Emacs is a disaster, but like, don't tell programming languages not to innovate because your editor doesn't understand their innovation, right? Like, that's just a bad, just in general, right? That's not the best idea. Let's just, again, it's using this. Okay. So we eat a character. Let's make sure that we are now up to line 242. You know, I could go so far as to replace all right arrow with dot. Lol, 115. Lol. Okay. Keyword inline. Oh, yeah, this can't, see. let's look at our peek next character calls, because maybe we should just return 2 values. As opposed to using an in-band value. Although all of these cases, there's a lot. There's a lot of peek next characters. Of course there are. Of course. I mean, this is a moral choice, like in BioShock. Actually, we don't even need that. But then your simple text search is telling you, sorry, I can't find this name. Well, you know, computers just aren't very smart. I don't know what to tell you. Okay. Okay, what is our character type going to be? I'm just going to let it be S16, and we're going to see what happens. If that's a bad choice, we'll change it. Oh, yes. Oops. Okay. So we're going to have a report parse error function. Make it user overrideable, right? So if you want to instantiate this Lexer and do stuff with it, I don't know, maybe you just override the logger as opposed to, maybe that's what overriding the logger is for. I don't know, we'll see. There's two things we do. We do a report parse error and we do this no label, right? We're going to replace that with report detail. Oh, those are the only places we do it. Oh, you know what? We're really not. We want to say no check-in, put the file and line number here. Okay. Great. We're honestly not as far down this file as I'd like to be at this point. Hey, we did get down to here though. Get decimal digits. Okay. Set end of token. I'll also replace this. Not that many occurrences. Okay, init. Don't need that at all. Let's make sure we get up to there. 304. Unwind one character. Okay. Continues identifier. Do we have alnum? Yep. We just put an underscore. Starts number. What is our is digit? See, I need to autocast these. That might cause us, it might be that we're passing -1s down that far, but honestly, we should be cleaner about that if that happens. Okay, 319. token. We have an index, we have a result. Okay, we're in the 300s. Parse ident. Where's the mask? Yeah. Okay, so we're just going to not do the SIMD right now. That comes later after everything's working. Bro. I just wanted this. Okay. Cool. Okay. Line 334. Well, okay. Oh. All right. Line 440. We are making progress, people. Still, there is always much more to go. But okay. Okay. If C is equal to this, we eat the character, we ident token, we do seem to want to know this, so we will set that. CR. Okay. We eat the token. We eat the white space. Now again, we could have a much faster function for that, but All right. Result is get unused token. Ident is going to be parse ident len. Reached end of file. If it's not a space, eat character. If it's a new line, cursor. Look at all these things. Uh-oh, we have a stir end comp. That is something we don't usually do in this programming language. It is not a very good pattern because, you know, your n could be too big for your source data and then you're kind of fucked. So it's one of those things you really shouldn't do if you could help it. And we can rewrite that to not stir in comp. So we'll deal with it later. We just want stuff to compile for now. Where are we at? 552. Oh. All right, 566. We're really getting there. Okay. We get the length. If we want new lines, this is just very C-looking code. It's not really good. So we're doing chunk by chunk. And then the final chunk. It's the final chunk down. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. parentheses around 1. Well, it's not the worst thing, but okay. Do-do-do-do. Oh, we have to set result string dot count equals dest minus result string dot data. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Do we zero terminate here? I don't know, we'll see. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh. Why are we computing chunk size here and then not using it? We've just got to figure out what Chunky's deal is. Why are we doing an alloc? I guess that's in the file data, yeah. This is not motherfucker. Well, maybe it is right. This is a little bit precarious. Okay, anyway, we set the 0. We set the input cursor. Okay. Okay. Chunk start and chunk cur. This is really some pasta right here that I'm not a fan of. It's not that much, but then again it is. How's it going, everyone? I'm just doing the grind. All right, we're at line 700 out of 2011. We're 1/3 of the way through. We're 1/3 of the way through. What do we return? Oh, yeah. I don't think you should be able to have -1 here. EOF, I think this is old. Like, you can't have EOF in the data. That's just not a thing. Okay. You know, let's fix that in the C++ version, because we want these to be identical. That's the point. They will diverge a bit over time, but then we'll fix that when it happens. I don't know why we made that S32. All right. Do we have an Alex string, right? We do. Can just do that. Now this is, I'm actually not sure how I want to think about this zero termination. This is a little bit, see, in the C++ version, we allocate a string and it's just got a 0. Now we allocate, I don't think we zero terminate here. We could add that as an option or something. Because we don't want to be giving people stuff with zeros in it by default. I mean, probably we just allocate the extra. We put the 0. Yeah, let's just do that. Let's just do that. So it's got a 0, but that's not reflected in the count on the string. That's easy enough. Did I remember to update the comments? Nope. Now I did. All right, well, we're up to line 799. Wait, I think I forgot. Yeah, we don't need this. Okay. Schwip. We schwipped the bip. Check for keyword. What do we return? Return token type 0. Okay. Returns token type 0 if it is not a keyword. Dude. What the fuck is happening? Like, oh, I put a space. Emacs is so, like, when you're going to replace something and then there's a typo, it's horrible. Okay. I could just remove all the return zeros. 797. Bruh. Oh. I mean, this is just name.count. Gonna get rid of that. $8.69. Make ident or keyword. Name, parse ident. Cache to make atom, set end of token. Keyword type. If it's a keyword, set that. Cool. 884, we're so far in. We are so far in. It's time for me to go out soon. But when we reach the halfway point of the file, which hopefully we need numeric flags. Value flags is a number. It's 2. Hex is 4. Float is 8. So it's going to be float number okay. Digit accumulator. Num digits. Digits max. Max digits. Okay. Oops. Fuck. Okay, we're gonna have to do that again. But it's fine. Port parse error. Num digits is 0 if it's not 4 and not 8 and not 16. If it's greater than 8, we've got another value flag. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so how'd we do there? Okay, not super great. 935. Oh yeah. Okay, and then F32, U32. This is just one gross way out of many that you could cast back and forth between things. All right, 947. Boom. 963. Great. Make number. Result can only be used to U64 if there's an integer at the end. All F's. F, 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 F. F, 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 F. Okay. All F's div 10. All F's is like me in high school. Okay, how we doing? 991. We'll just do this for all of these nuts. did it down. I'm wantonly replacing apostrophes in comments. See, all of these ors could be in a mask. We could do our mask trick. Up, up. Okay, and boom, and boom. I don't think we declared binary. Let's put that next to hex. How we doing? 10:57 out of, we're officially past the midpoint of the file, which means I can go out for tonight, but we'll probably do a part 3 tonight. See, we're doing the 32 trick here. But we're not doing it in a lot of places. Okay, what are we up to? No. What? $10.86. Oh. $11.31. Oh. 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 1163. I goofed on that one. Actually, no, we just hadn't gotten there. Okay, I think that's it for now. Thanks, folks, and we will be back on later, probably, unless I go to Bolivia tonight. We're like 2/3 of the way through the file almost. We surpassed our 1/2 goal, and we went to the stretch goal. Okay, no, let's make it 2/3. Okay, 21.3 times 2 divided by 3 is 1342. Oh, fuck, that's more than I thought. Nope, we're not going to do it. All right. Thanks, everybody. We'll be back later on. This was a short stream, but we're doing the grind, right? We're doing the grind from one programming language to another, and it is what it is. And we're just doing the syntax mistakes still. After we get done with those, there's going to be a bunch of semantic mistakes, right? So, yeah, that is just going to be what it is. This really is very C style. $12.52. It's so far. Oh, wow. We got, that's actually further than we did. Okay, let's put these in their own section. I didn't realize I had so many flags. Look at this one. Look at the name of this one. You know, it's like an addictive video game. You just keep doing the easy changes. Imagine if instead of playing the addictive video game, you just did this. You might actually get something done. Okay, we're still on line 1256. That's great. We actually haven't quite gotten there. Yeah, thanks everybody. I swear I'm going to sign off any second now. You're not going to know when it happens. It's just going to be a surprise that it's like a thief in the night. We could be sneaky here. Look at that. All right, thanks everyone. Bye. See you later.